Hello, dear adjuster. I'm Darwin with Top Line Roofing. I'm here at Luis Fermin property at 46 Belhurst Lane in Willingboro, New Jersey, 08046. Claim number 3080Q806J. So I'm going to go ahead and be doing a attempted repair. So this is the shingle. It's been blown off. Okay. Now that I remove all the nails, I'm gonna remove the shingle. It should come off pretty easy. And you can see here, if we zoom a little closer, we have 2 layers underneath, and the shingle that's underneath is deteriorating. So this is the original layer we have on top. This is the one underneath. And we have, for what it looks, we have moisture, water's coming inside. You can see, if you zoom in a little bit, you can see the shingle doesn't even fit the same size. You see the gap that is here? If I move it closer, there's another gap right here. So the shingle it's not the same size as the original. As you can see here, so we try to do the attempt to repair, the shingle broke. Same thing here. Even though try to be as much as careful we can, it's not happening the same thing with the other missing shingles when we do the repair. So this roof is not repairable.